Yeah, moment of truth and natural wisdom. Yeah, you see and then you see more stuff. Yeah, I'm trying to get through this quick so that we can start the experiment as soon as possible. In not well, no, in order to be powerful, no, why dream your dream? Create labs. That is one thing that I will encourage the boys. It's either you are creating workshops or you are creating labs. Anything you see is either coming from a workshop or is coming from a lab. Your battery was produced in a lab. Lab, any hustle or scientific experiment. Your lab is where you produce most of the things. See what I'm trying to say? Now, we are doing fluorine, or most people, fluoride or fluorine. Fluorine is the F9 or F6, F9, the ninth element on the periodic table. It's very simple. This is fluorine, is the ninth element on the periodic table. It's a halogenic. Halogenic means that whenever they react with hydrogen, they create salt. They create salt. When it's halogenic, whenever they react with hydrogen, we will talk about that. There are so many groups of elements on the periodic table. The halogenics are one of them. Chlorine is also halogenic. So whenever chlorine reacts with hydrogen, you get hydrochloride. We will talk about all of that. Now, today we are doing fluoride. Fluorine, naturally, when you see it's a yellowish pale color, I say yellow bis. I also be a bobino. Not a bona and white, but a bona is a yellow bis. I will be an essential. A bona is a yellow bisan. That is how fluorine looks like. You get fluorine in seawater, rocks. On a booby crow who born and a bona is a bona is a yellowish color. Fluorine, you get fluorine in rocks for the most part, in rocks. You see what I'm trying to say? And it is the predominant preservative. It preserves your teeth. It helps your teeth. So it is found in toothpaste. Okoto toothpaste here. Moka kobrashe mo uka kuchucho sen. Toothpaste no is full of fluoride. Your toothpaste. Into the toothpaste egu onuma the toothpaste go onuma na so onuma hyehye kakra. Is because of the fluoride content. The toothpaste egu onuma na ama wonumu no ayese wonumu hyehye wan hohoro wonumu ntema na so wonumu hyehye. The same fluoride na so ne san de mouthwash person wash wonumu na wonumu ya clean. You use fluoride. Most of our water that we use in America here is being preserved with fluoride. Yeah. So I say it is I know the kakra say on so de nchene egu nsuo mu a obi a nesen ekeka nesen pese yitu no wode nsuo gu nchene mu a wode nchene gu nsuo mu a ana so wode nsuo gu nchene mu a na wode agina nesen na se ebeko obi a nesen o problem ebeko. Fluoride is also and also a franchenim because it's a halogenic. Whenever it reacts with a hydrogen, the result is ending up in the creation of salt. So I'm saying, in it and so be into the toothpaste you go on my basho kakra. Would ushi and chenigu on more raw, one utrin be boom, one basho. What you say? It's the same concept. It's corrosive. Because of that, it is used in the production of explosives like bombs. It burns. Would the nchene go onuma wonum behyehyw. Would the toothpaste egu onuma. Na wan twitwire wo sentem a wonum nyina behyehyw. Okoto mouthwash. Mamma America na okoto mouthwash edi begu enum na wan hohoro onum ntem a. Wutiri nyina be bomu. It burns. And one of the most dangerous part of it is that unya hydrofluoride. hydrofluoride nankasa no. Fluoride no slightly basic. Whenever you are talking about basics and acids, you are talking about the power of hydrogen. From 0 to 7 is strongly acidic. And from 7 all the way up to 14 is basic. So you isolate acid and base because of the power of hydrogen. What you say? So mouthwash would go on no or be more no mass show pa. Mama use mouthwash for American, you know what I'm talking about. Now, so it's slightly basic in the production of hydroxy or hydroxide. We will talk about hydroxy or hydroxide. Because it burns, it's also helping in the production of your light bulbs. Light bulb, bohui. Fluoride, ekam. Inti yataka se fluorescence. Fluorescence bulbs. Fluorescence bulbs. It's fluoride in your light bulb. What do you see? And in the production of salts, as I told you, whenever it reacts with hydrogen and you get hydrofluorides and salt, and then you go in there. Now, it's for the production of your toothpaste, and it's also used in the production of plastics. So your toothpaste and your toothbrush are one of the components in your toothpaste and your toothbrush is the fluoride or the fluorine. You see what I'm saying? So it's a very simple chemical element. Open fluoride there. Would you have toothpaste? And the moment on the toothpaste be a good consumer, it started producing bubbles because it wants to burn a person. A day a person and it created bubbles. A day a person what you say? Yeah, natural one element on the periodic table. A two consumer. Now they go to a man out touch now. Oh, Charlie. Yeah. What do you know? Qua tunes you, but Ubuka crave tunes you. Now, we did have a boob. Yeah, to be the Ubisia. I love you all. I'm taking you through all the elements properly. Not just reciting them and calculating the mass number and the periodic table, and we are doing it as it is. The sources you get, most of the elements you are getting them from the seawater. Most of the elements, because seawater now is a bank, a deposit BBR where they belongs. You see what I'm saying? Now, so that is it. Fluoride. For the most part, is in your toothpaste and your mouthwash. It's the production of your light bulbs. When we do that experiment, you will see what it is. And it's the production of explosive devices and the nuclear world. Yeah, nuclear bombs here and there. Yeah. I love you. Yeah.